Hello friends, I am Manya. Today we talk about the AI-powered business services, the exact use of it, and how it could be helpful to all the business, making a huge impact. Unlock efficiency with our AI-powered services. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are excited to introduce you to our AI-powered services that can transform the way you manage your business. At SurveyEye, we are driven by a vision to empower businesses with innovative tech solutions that unlock their true potential, approach for a problem solving, and reducing your involvement in day-to-day operations. We have been serving businesses of various domains. We strive to understand the unique challenges and opportunities that your organization faces and craft tailored solutions that not only address immediate needs but also lay the groundwork for sustained growth.
We have been talking about this business solution at SurveyEye for a while now. But I am not clear how it would be helpful or what problems does it solve. Can you explain it a little?
Yes, I understand. So to talk about it in detail, today we have Anil with us, who has been doing business for about 10 to 15 years, and we will discuss with him about one of the use cases that might be beneficial in his business operations. Meet Anil running his wholesale distribution business of electronics goods. As we discussed with him about his business operations, we found that how it could save him a huge amount of time with our solutions.
Thanks, Manya. This information is helpful. Let's start the discussion.
Hello, Mr. Anil.
Hello, Manya.
Welcome to the discussion, and I would like to brief a use case that would be helpful in your business.
Yes, sure. So what are we going to discuss today?
Sure, we will discuss that in detail, but before that, if you don't mind, can I ask you something?
Yes, sure. Go ahead.
As far as I know, you are running your business for about 10 to 15 years now. Where do you save your data or any information related to your business?
Mostly in files or some in phone or Excel sheets. Also some in Gmail or PDF. As well some are in the catalog provided by the companies.
In case you need to find some information related to back years, tax or any customer payment data for finance, how much time does it take normally?
Possible few hours or it might even take a day. In some cases 2 to 3 days as well.
If I tell you can do that in 2 to 3 minutes or maximum 10 to 15 minutes in some cases.
It would be great, but how?
Well, you can join us, partner on this journey of making business solutions at your fingertips. Making business solutions easier at a click. Join us. Let's take a look at a quick demo.
Let me take you through the demo. Each department needs to analyze the data. Hence, we create a report for each department of your business, which you can access through a phone. You can ask questions about your data, whether it is recent or previous years, how many invoices, inventory for a year, month or day, and much more. We cover debt management, marketing, finance, etc. as well.